season in Melasti again. So what I can say about the dives, you know, in Liberty Wreck during the night time there are no more bumphead parrotfishes anymore. You can do an early morning dive. During the night dive you will not see them at the moment, and it's been since 3 months. Still groupers hunting. We managed to help them to catch some fish, lobsters, moray eels. That's the usual stuff what you will see during the night dive in Liberty Wreck. But yeah, that's pity, no bumphead parrotfish. I don't know what happened. Stormy day in Amed. It's good that we don't have any diving today. Since 2019 we've been trying to put our dive center on a Google map, and it all was like unsuccessful. So finally I found another way, so you can request for the, what is that, meeting call or online call. They calling you and then you show around your dive shop and then they confirm all what they do. So that's what happened today. Today I got a call from Google and we I showed around the dive shop, explain all the situation, and hopefully we will be on a map in the nearest future. As you saw today, there is a big waves and definitely no diving, bad visibility, but a couple of days ago it was pretty acceptable. it's always nice to see these guys coming back and diving together. You really feel like a family reunion. And yeah, it was really cool to have you guys back. Just bought the mangoes and atis. In the Philippines they're calling it atis, from the local farmers. Like I already been showing you that in the mountains it's always smaller mangoes growing because not enough water, and but they are really sweet. You can check that episode I made previously. Actually, this is really hidden place between the mountains, really close to Amed. No one really knows about. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Like the video, follow, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.